This is INFINIX Zero 30, and today I'll reveal and share a few useful tips and tricks for this device. So to start, your system has the built-in tool, a very useful maintaining app that is called the Phone Master. In it, you can enable the slide system boost, or this tool just clears the unnecessary caches and logs, clears your RAM, offloads things that are slowing your system down. So just if you feel like your system is running sluggish, you can use this power boost and fix it. You can also remove junk files, clean your storage, cool down your smartphone here. You can also do that. Or measure the temperature, as you can see. You might also be interested in clearing your apps, the antivirus scan. So here you can scan your system for viruses, malware, and other dangerous software. You can manage your power saving. You can clean apps individually. Here is the full list of options and your preferences here. The next option that I wanted to share with you guys, you can find in the settings, personalization, and this option is the AOD, or always on display. So let's enable it. Here you can change your AOD theme, the clock style. You can set up, you can make your clock be digital, analog, change its layout, color, and all other parameters. You can enable or disable what elements, select what elements will be shown around it. I've enabled the steps count accidentally, but that's fine. Or the workout data. So let's disable it. There are also non-clock themes you can choose from, as you can see. You have the vitality topic, you have the infinite topic. You can select, and just overall, as you can see, customize those watch faces and designs here. You can upload custom images into the shapes or masks, and just customize your AOD as you please. The next option that I wanted to share with you, you can find it the display and brightness category. So it is called the Ultra Touch, and this option allows you to change your swipe speed and motion speed. So let me swipe to show you what I meant. That's how fast the swipe is. So all the list interfaces will be affected by this option, as you can see, by this parameter. So customize it and set its sensitivity to the values that match your preferences and just fit you best. I'll return my swipe speed to fast and motion speed to normal. Another option at the display and brightness category I wanted to share with you today is called the screen refresh rate. So find it, open it. There are 3 values you can choose from as per the refresh rate frequency: 60 Hz, 120 Hz, and 144 Hz. Long story short, the higher you go, the smoother animations you'll get, and overall all interface interactions will be much more smooth. But at the same time, the higher refresh rate values drain more battery. So set up your balance as you wish, whether you prefer to have, or whether you have your preferences at smoother visuals or longer or prolonged autonomy, battery life. That's up to you to decide. Or if you do not want to decide at all, just set it to the auto switch refresh rate mode, so it will be automatically switching between all those values in accordance with your usage scenarios and current battery state. So once you have plenty of battery, it will prefer to increase your refresh rate. If the power is depleting and you need to conserve it, it will reduce it. And the final option that I wanted to show you in this video is called the memory extension. So go into MemFusion, go into the My Phone section of settings. Here find the RAM and tap on it. Enable the MemFusion feature, select the amount of additional random access memory gigabytes you would like to get, and reboot your phone in order for those changes to be applied properly and to take effect. And well, that'll be it, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.